All right, got a quick challenge here today, the White Lightning Challenge. I have 3 of these. I mean, these tiny little chocolate bars are like 30 bucks a pop, so I didn't get any more, and I haven't done them yet, so figured I'd just give them a try and see what they're like. I'll read the disclaimer quick. I, James Cloper, am over 18 years of age, of sound mind, and have read and understood the hot sauce product disclaimer on the League of Fire website. In summary, I accept that the League of Fire, their suppliers, and manufacturers will under no circumstances be responsible for or liable for any claims of injury or damage arising from me consuming this products or multiple thereof. I acknowledge and agree to this fact without question. All right, with that being said, dive into these. You just eat them kind of like the chips a challenge. There's no afterburn. I don't think, anyways. I didn't check that. There's one. Two. Box is kind of mangled a bit. And 3. All sealed. All right, let's give these guys a go. It's white chocolate, not my favorite thing in the world, but it smells pretty spicy. It's not bad. It's actually pretty mild in heat. Get like chunks of pepper or something in this. That's all I have. These are, yeah, really mild. I think there's like a 12 pepper blend, I guess. Tons of them. I'm not gonna list them all, but I don't know. Three of these. Heat-wise, I'd say maybe a 1. Yeah, like if that. These are pretty mild. I feel like you could eat a lot of those. They're just extremely expensive. Anyways, I'll keep this short. That's it. Like I said, I don't think there's an afterburn. Pretty sure there's not. Hopefully do another challenge tomorrow if I have time. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.